Greetings of the day. Good morning, children. Welcome back to your history class. Today we are starting lesson number 10, the Gupta Empire. After the Mauryas, a new empire emerged in the subcontinent only 500 years later. By the 3rd century AD, the power of the Kushanas and the Satavahanas had declined, and a number of small kingdoms arose in the subcontinent. This set the stage for the Guptas to assert their power. They established their empire in the 4th century AD. They ruled over the subcontinent for more than 200 years. Sources. Prashastis are among the most important sources of information about the Gupta rule. Prashastis are the long inscriptions which describe the rule and achievements of kings. In fact, Prashasti means in praise of. Archaeologists have also found several coins dating back to the period. Many temples and paintings from the period survive to this day. Several literary sources that shed light on the Guptas. Important among them are the plays of Kalidas, Hindu religious stories like Puranas, and the accounts of the Chinese pilgrim Fahiyan. Now we'll see the important rulers of the Guptas. First of all, we see Chandragupta I. Chandragupta I laid the foundations for the Gupta Empire. He adopted the grand title Maharaja Dhiraj, which means King of Kings, and even married a princess of Lichavi tribe, Kumara Devi. Magadha regained the prominence it had lost during the Kushana period. Now we'll see another important ruler of the Gupta dynasty is Samudragupta. Samudragupta, the son of Chandragupta I, is considered the greatest ruler of the Gupta dynasty. A Prashasti inscribed on an Ashokan pillar in Allahabad is the main source of information about Samudragupta's rule. It is often referred to as the Prayaga Prashasti. Prayaga Prashasti is in the form of a poem and was composed around 1700 years ago by a poet in Samudragupta's court, Hari Sena. The poem was composed in Sanskrit and comprises many long sentences. It describes the rulers Samudragupta defeated and those who submitted to his authority. Hari Sena's Prashasti also describes Samudragupta as a great warrior king, a learned and kind-hearted man, and a good poet, Kavi Raja. Now we'll see the Samudragupta's coins. Gold coins dating back to Samudragupta's rule show him playing a musical instrument called the veena. Another important ruler of the Gupta dynasty is Chandragupta II. Chandragupta II succeeded Samudragupta to the Gupta throne. He is also known by the title Vikramaditya. Chandragupta II is best remembered for his patronage to art and literature. His court was believed to comprise many learned men, including the poet Kalidasa and the astronomer Aryabhatta. There are many Prashastis and coins which tell us about his rule. The accounts of Chinese traveler Fahiyan, who came to the subcontinent during Chandragupta II's rule, also shed light on the period. Chandragupta II was succeeded by Kumaragupta and Skandagupta.